Yes, good morning to all of you. Welcome to your mathematics class. Okay, our assignment question 1 to 10 has done. Now I just come to the question number 11. You have to find the cubic polynomial where the zeros are already given to you. The zeros are 2, minus 3 and 5. Okay, the 0 means the value of alpha is 2, the value of beta is minus 3 and the value of gamma is 5. So you have to find the sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma. So on putting these values you will have, that is 5 minus 3 2, 2 plus 2, that is 4. Okay, the sum of product of two zeros, that means alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. On putting these value you will have here, that is minus 11. Okay, and the product of zeros, that is alpha beta and gamma, you will multiply these three zeros, so you will have minus 30. And what will the formula form a cubic polynomial? Cubic polynomial, you will have the formula kx cube minus sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus sum of the product of 2's, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta and gamma, and put all these three values in here in this formula. X cube, the sum of zeros are 4, that is 4x square. Then sum of the product of 2 is minus 11, so put minus 11 into x, and the product of 0 is minus 30. Okay, on solving these terms and putting the value of k is 1, you will have x cube minus 4x square minus 11x plus 30. That is your answer of as a cubic polynomial. Okay, come to the question number 12, where the two zeros are already given to you of a cubic polynomial. You have to find the third one. The first one, 0 is root 3, 0 means the value of x, and the second is minus root 3. Taking on a one side, you will have x minus root 3 is equal to 0, and from there you will have x plus root 3 is equal to 0. On multiplying these two equations, you will have x minus root 3, x plus root 3, that is equal to 0 into 0. Again apply the identity of a minus b into a plus b. You will have the identity a square minus b square. It will be x square minus b will be equal to 0. On dividing by this polynomial to the our cubic polynomial, you will have the third factor of this cubic polynomial. Okay, solving this, multiply x with x square, you will have x cube. So multiply with x, you will have minus 3x. Okay, on changing the symbol, all the terms will be cancelled out. Minus 4x square plus 12 will be there. On multiplying with minus 4, you will have minus 4x square minus 4 multiply minus 3, you will have plus 12. On changing these symbols, these term will be cancelled, and this is your third factor of this cubic polynomial. So 4 zeros, for finding 0, you have to put this factor is equal to 0 and x equal to 4 is the third 0 of this cubic polynomial. This is the answer. Come to the question number 13. What should be subtracted from the 6x power 4 plus 7x cube plus 26x square minus 25x plus 25 when it is going to exactly divisible by 3x square minus x plus 4. Okay, first you have to create the first term, so you have to multiply with 2x square. You will multiply these two term, you will have x power 4. When you are going to multiply with minus x, you will have minus 2x cube. Multiplying with 4, you will have 4 to the 8, 8x square. And on changing the symbol, First term will be cancelled. 7 plus 2, that means 9x cube. 26 minus 8, that is I think 16. Sorry, 18 will be there. 18x cube minus 25x plus 25 are the left term. I taken it as it is. Now to create the first term, you have to multiply 3x cube with plus 3x. Okay, 3x multiply 3x here, you will have 9x cube. 3x multiply with x minus x, you will have minus 3x here. 3x multiply 4, you will have 12x. Okay, again change the symbol. First term will be cancelled. 18 plus 3, that is 21x here. Minus 25 minus 12, that is 37x plus 25. Okay, first term multiply this with plus 7. Okay, 7 3s are 21x here minus 7x. 7 4s are 28. Again change the symbol. Minus plus minus, this will be cancelled. So minus 30x minus 3. This is the term which when we are just going to subtract from this, you will get the remainder is exactly 0. Okay, so this will be your answer. This is the factor which is subtracted from the given polynomial, that is act as a dividend here, given this given polynomial. So this will be, it will be exactly divisible. Okay, just like when I am just going to divide 9 by 4, 4 2s are 8. दिस रिमाइंडर व्हेन आई जस्ट गोइंग टू सब्ट्रैक्ट, ये वो रिमाइंडर है, अगर मैं इसको इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दूं, दैट मीन 9 में से मैं 1 माइनस कर दूं, तो ये 4 2 जा 8, ये 4 से एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल चला जाता है. यू कैन टेक एनी अदर एग्जांपल ऑल्सो, दैट इज 38, 4 9s are 36. Here the 2 is the remainder. अगर मैं इस रिमाइंडर को भी आपके इस डिविडेंड में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दूं, तो आपका ये 4 से एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल चला जाता है. इन द सेम वे यू कैन से दैट दिस इज अवर रिमाइंडर. और अगर मैं इसी रिमाइंडर को आपके डिविडेंड में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दूंगी, तो आपका इससे ये वाली पॉलिनोमियल जो बनेगी उसके बाद वो इससे एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल होगी. सो द रिमाइंडर इज अवर आंसर, जो कि आपका सब्ट्रैक्ट करने से डिविडेंड में से आपका एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल हो जाता है. ओके, दिस इज योर आंसर फॉर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. This is a simple question where the biquadratic equation is already given to you, that is x power 4. This is your question number 14. Minus 7x cube plus 17x square minus 17x plus 6. And two zeros are already given to you, that is first 0 is x equal to 1 and the second is x equal to 2. On making equal to 0, multiply these two terms, you will have x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0 into 0, that is 0. So you will have here 3x minus plus 2 is equal to 0. So this must be a factor of this polynomial. So divide this polynomial by this number. Okay, you will have x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, when you are just going to divide it, your remainder will be 0 and the quotient you will get here, you can check, your quotient will be maybe x square. Your quotient will be x square minus 4x plus 3. Your quotient will be this. And then you have to make the factor of it, that will be 3x minus 1x plus 3. Your first factor will be x minus 3 and the second one will x minus 1. On getting 0, you will have first 0, that is x equal to 3 and the second 0, that is x equal to 1. These are the two zeros of this biquadratic polynomial and 2 are already given to you. Okay, now there are 4 zeros. First is x equal to 1, second is x equal to 2, third is x equal to 3 and the fourth is x equal to 1 again. Okay, these are the 4 zeros of this biquadratic polynomial. Come to the last 15 question. What is the next? What is the question? That you have to check either x cube minus 3x plus 1 is a factor of plus x square plus 3x plus 1. How can you check it? Either it is a factor of this one or not. You have to just divide it and get the remainder. If the remainder is 0, then you can say that it is a factor. If not the remainder 0, then you can say that it is not a factor of this polynomial. You just multiply with x here. You will have x power 5 minus 3x cube plus x square. Again change the symbol, cancel. This will be cancelled. You will have minus x cube. 3x plus 1 is the left terms. I have written here. Then multiply with minus 1. You will have minus x cube. Minus 1 you will have plus 3x and minus 1 will be there. Again change the symbol. These term will be cancelled. This cancels and then your remainder will be 0. That is not equal to 0. So it is x cube minus 3x plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial. Okay, here the assignment of second chapter is completed. Check your answer. Okay, thank you.